Welcome back to the channel. We've got a very exciting new delivery here for 2026, which is the Hymer Grand Canyon S crossover edition. If you're familiar with the Hymer Grand Canyon S, this vehicle is the same body. It's just under 6 metres in length. You've got your 4 seat belts with your 3 berth. It's built on the 190 brake horsepower engine, but you've got the crossover pack. So there's lots of lovely, exciting new features, and let's hop straight into it. So talking around some of the features at the front, we're finished off in the Tenorite grey metallic paint. We've obviously got the crossover decals along the side with your vibrant lime green colour. We've got your 360 park assist camera, so that is just here, and we've also got our 44-inch light bar. There's a solar panel on the roof as well. How stunning is the finish, folks? That is the decals for the crossover edition. At this side we have our full length awning with your LED lighting strip along that. It is a permanent all-wheel drive vehicle, so it is suitable for all terrain, and you've got your BF Goodrich tyres with your gloss black steel rims. You do have the Hymer smart battery pack as well with this vehicle. We've got all our driving aids at the back. We've got a reverse camera alongside our reverse sensor. As you can see, there is a tow bar. Nice little feature too is your deck chairs and your table, and you do have really good storage at the back, so you can lift the bed if you do need that extra garage space at the back of the van. So our electric hookups on this side, and we've got our toilet cassette, but that is just some of the many features externally. Let's hop on in. Taking a look into some of the driving features at the front, we've got our heated leather seats here in the driver and the passenger. You've got a heated steering wheel, and you've also got your heated windscreen, so you are well equipped for those chilly winter months. Now, while we're on the topic of that, we do have heated freshwater and wastewater tanks, so if you were to go away and the temperature was below freezing, that's not something you need to worry about. You've got your 10.25-inch MBX infotainment system, so you've got all your lovely features. You've got your Apple CarPlay, you've got the Mercedes app as well. You've got your auto lights and your auto wipers, so it is just really a nice, seamless and easy driving experience. So stepping into our front lounge, your 3rd and our 4th seatbelt are situated here. Now this table does extend out and it drops down, so you've got your 3rd berth. You've all your lovely ambient lighting which you can toggle through here. You're not short for USB points as well, as they're scattered throughout the vehicle. We've got a TV on our swivel bracket, so you can swivel it for the front lounge. You can also turn it around for the back as well. Into the kitchen area, you've got your 2-ring gas burner. Your sink is here. You've got 4 huge cupboards, so you're not lacking on the storage. You've also got some overhead cabinets. You've got your Thetford fridge, and the heating does run off diesel and electric, so it is economical. So in here is the washroom. Your sink folds up out of the way. Your shower is attached to the sink. So it is compact, but it is a good use of space at the same time. At the back is our double transverse bed, so that can comfortably sleep 2 people back here. That's your extra cushions for your extra berth kit in the front. You do have your speakers at the back, and you've also got your overhead cupboards. So guys, that was a quick walk through our crossover Grand Canyon S. We do have plenty more in stock. We are the best stocked Hymer dealer in Ireland, so come on down and take a look. If you'd like to arrange an appointment, we're open Monday to Friday, 9 to half 5. We're also open 9 to 3 on Saturdays. So give us a wee call, 028 9269 3999, or if you have any further queries, you can check out the website for full details on specification. You can also send me an email. It's charlotte@thompsonleisure.com.